Hey guys, we're back again. Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, in this video, we're going to do a recap of the Best of the West Vegas IPMS show. Uh, in this video, I'm going to show you the hardware that we got, how good Miss Hobby Spot did. Susan did pretty good. I'm going to show you some of the stash ads that we got and some of the crap. It's all crap, guys. Come on, let's turn this camera around. Check everything out. Come on, follow me. All right, we're back. So this is some of the stuff I bought from Art's booth. I did buy some of the ProTech stuff because I really like the ProTech fittings and the ProTech fuel lines and stuff like that. So I bought a lot of this. I do like their detail wire. So I did buy the spark plug wires and numerous colors. I usually buy like almost everything when I go to his booth. And I buy the detail wire, so because I run a lot of detail wire. The fuel line, I bought fuel line and you know, bigger stuff this time because I am doing bigger 1/16 scale stuff, and I plan on doing some bigger builds this year. So we did that, and then we bought some rivets and stuff like that from his Top Studio line over there. All kinds of valves and hex fittings and stuff like that. We bought a bunch of stuff, so we bought some of that. We did buy some more fittings and stuff from him over there on that. And I did buy, I think this is all like all fittings. So I kind of bought a bunch of stuff over there. I also seen something cool that he had over there, and I picked it up. So I've been wanting to build a Salvino's JR model kit. So I bought this one that he had over there. So I thought this was kind of cool. So it's the old blue. It's a asphalt modified cars. So I bought this. I thought this would be a fun kit. Susan seen it and said, "Oh, that'd be kind of cool." So I also seen some of these trailers that he was selling over there, and I said, you know what, you can't have too many trailers. So I bought an auto trailer also from him. We spent some pretty decent money at his booth, but it was worth it. So it was good seeing Art and Lisa, his wife, and we had a blast over there. So I also stopped by the AK booth that they had over there, and I bought some because we're going to be doing a lot more figures and stuff, and you can use this stuff on automotive too. But I bought some paint lines that I seen over there. I bought this one here. It was the Orcs and green models, so it does come with like different greens. So I thought that would be kind of cool. That is a pretty cool set. My wife's gonna do a Grinch model soon, so that's kind of cool. That might work for her. I did buy a Rust color set here. Here's the front of it. And this is the colors that are in there, because we're going to start doing a little bit of Rust stuff. We're going to do a bunch of different stuff here now. I want to get into some more different kind of stuff. Weathering wood, and there's the colors. Human flesh tones, because we're going to be doing a lot of figures now. Like I just primered the Terminator over there, Arnold Schwarzenegger, and I just primered the Freddy Krueger. So we're gonna start doing more of this stuff. So I figured we're gonna need some of this. Metallics. So you can never have enough metallic stuff in your stash, and of course I'm gonna buy it. I use Alclads. I use all kinds of stuff. I use AK Extreme Metals, all kinds of stuff. Anything that will look the part, I'll use it. So I want to try some of this stuff, and if it works good, we'll keep trying it. We'll keep doing it. And I bought this a little while ago, and I never I didn't buy this out there, but this is part of their stuff over there. So this is actually a skin and leather set. So in this is these colors. I didn't show you all the other stuff, did I? Those colors. Excuse me. And these colors. And I think I showed you those there. And if you want, you can pause it and kind of zoom in. And there you go for those. So we got a bunch of colors there. Then I stopped by their local hobby store out there. I forgot what it was called, but it was Moonlight something or another. And I figured, because I like motorcycle kits, I figured, you know what, this would be kind of cool to put next to a motorcycle. Let me see if I can. There you go. A rider, you know, put next to the bike, because I'm going to do that with Arnold Schwarzenegger, and I figure I'll do that with a different bike too. And this kit, I seen it and I grabbed it real quick, and I know Chris was looking at it, so I was like, I'm going to grab it, you know. And it's this Nissan Sunny truck with the chin spoiler down here. It's pretty cool. This is a Hasegawa kit, and this would be awesome to use with Chris Bell's new mini truck stuff. I bet a lot of that stuff will go with this. So I think it was actually made for this kit, if I'm not mistaken. But if Chris, if you're watching it, let me know if this was the kit that you made that for. I think it was, but I could be wrong. So what else did we pick up out there? I've seen this kit came back out and I wanted to get one. So I bought it over there. You can never have enough 57 Chevys in your stash. We got to build one soon. So this looks like it's going to be a good kit. So we bought this one. Oops, sorry guys. I just threw you around like nothing. The big score, which I can't get it on video, but I bought this going in the door, and I was like one of the first people in there. So I'm going to have to pull the camera out because it's huge. And I have one already, but for the price, you just can't beat this. So look at that. The 1/8 scale 79 Pontiac Trans Am. And I have plans for this kit. He sold it cheap because this was messed up. And I even opened the box and made sure everything was okay. I got this thing for like $80. And this is, I see these things sell for $400. I think you could buy the new one for like $250 or $300. But we do have a newer one too on the way. So, but for $80, you have to buy it. I mean, that's super cheap. So this was like my score of the show, and I've been wanting to pick this kit up for many years. This isn't the turbo Trans Am. This is the regular Trans Am. So I already have the turbo one. And I couldn't find this one anywhere, so I bought it. And then I'm all like, you know what's better than having this? Is two. So I ordered another one off of Amazon. So that's the kits we bought over there. I'm going to put the camera back down. I'm going to pull this big monster out of the way. And what else here? Oh, there's a couple cool things that I ordered online. Bear with me, folks. So, I bought some paint sets. Oh, also I bought a couple other things at Art Shop. So, I've seen paintbrushes all over Facebook, so I've ordered a set of these, and they're pretty cool. They actually, you know how like when you store your brushes, I always stick mine like this, like back there. See that? They're all over the place. So I wanted a nice set of brushes, and I bought these. And then I seen one of the painters that I always watch, and she's on Facebook, and I think her name's Julia Mashura. She's an awesome painter, but she also advertised a different sort of paintbrushes. But look at this. You get a cap, a metal cap that goes over it, and these are awesome. kind of preserves. I mean, they're all sizes, so I mean, this is a various bit of sizes, and I've got a couple packs of those. But I also bought these things. They were a little pricey, but this is what she paints with, and she's a really good painter. If you guys haven't seen her, check her out on Facebook, Julia Mashira. I think she's from Russia. And this is what she uses. She uses this brand here. It's Roboff. And here's the other set I ordered. They're a little pricey. I think they were like $40 for each one, which really isn't bad if you buy high-end brushes. So also, I bought a wet palette from the AK guys over there. So this will keep the paint kind of wet and not let her dry up. So kind of cool. Instead of just using the cap or whatever. And Art had a pretty cool thing that I said, you know what, I'm going to buy one. It's actually for your airbrush needles to sharpen them. So I thought that was pretty cool. So thanks, Art. What else did we? Okay, let's look at the trophies. So on this one, Susan actually, I'm super impressed. I'm proud of her. She actually won first place for out of the box. She beat all the guys and got a first place for out of the box. Good job, Susan. And she did that with her Merc. So I got later Hot Rods and Customs. I think this was the first place. Guys, I don't even know what this was for. Oh yeah, it was for the oh wow, I think it was for the not the Henry J. It must have been for the Nova. Okay. This one here was a second, I think. And this was for the Merc. So, oh, it's a third. Sorry, guys. That was a third. This one here was for. This was for the truck, I think. This was for the truck. This was for the Henry J. This was a second and a second. And this was for the Porsche. So we came home with a lot of hardware. We did pretty good. John Teresi took best of show and first place with that Jammer Stringliner, which is an awesome build. Man, we had a lot of fun out there. It was a great show. We got to see Nick and Jason from I forgot the name of his resin company. Jeez, don't shoot me, dude. Anyway, we got to hang out with them for a while, and it was a blast. We had a lot of fun. So anyway, I've still got a lot of work to go on the Porsche. I've got a couple other builds in mind that we're going to be doing. And yeah, so why do you watch this crap, guys? But I appreciate the fact that you guys stuck out with this for 13 minutes. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell, and don't forget to join our Facebook page, Chuck's Hobby Spot. And we'll see you at the next show. Take care, guys. Bye now.